Okay, class. Today World Flags School Bus.
We hear.
Hi, welcome Armenia to United States.
Okay.
One toe, tree, foru, five.
Now map OK flags.
Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Arab Emirates, Uzbekistan, India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Brunei, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Cambodia, China, Japan, Jordan, Kuwait, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Nepal, North Korea, Oman, Lebanon, Malaysia, Maldives, Pakistan, Palestine, Philippines, Vietnam, Myanmar, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Korea, Sri Lanka, Syria, Taiwan, Tajikistan, Thailand, Timor-Leste, Turkmenistan, Yemen, Afghanistan, England, Ireland, Scotland, Northern Ireland, Belgium, France, United Kingdom, Norway, Iceland, Denmark, Sweden, Finland, Czech Republic, Malta, Liechtenstein, Switzerland, Austria, Netherlands, Germany, Portugal, Spain, Macedonia, Poland, Russia, Italy, Ukraine, Belarus, Latvia, Estonia, Litva, Bulgaria, Romania, Bosnia, Greece, Luxembourg, Hungary, Albania, Andorra, Kosovo, Monaco, Turkey, Antigua and Barbuda, Bahamas, Barbados, Belize, Canada, Costa Rica, Cuba, Dominica, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Grenada, Greenland, Guatemala, Haiti, Honduras, Jamaica, Mexico, Catagua, Panama, Puerto Rico, Street Kitus and Nevis, Street Uda, Street Pierre and Miquelon, Street Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad Tobago, United States. Get in the school bus now. NNNNNNNOOOOOWWWW. Call.
Set, go home right now. News. Stop. No, 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 no. Dad, go to flags. No. News. Yes, home. Okay.
Drinking news: a year-old kid named Ice Cream Truck has destroyed Flag Map House. Let's see what's going on there.
So, here I am at Flag House. As you can, Flag House is destroyed and even the roof is destroyed. Let's see what Ice Cream Truck has to about this.
When I told him we were out of Indonesia, South Korea, I offered Brunei, India, North Korea instead. But then he went out of control and destroyed Flag Map House.
New, let's see what the customers have to say about this.
I was in Flag Map House enjoying my meal until Ice Cream Truck suddenly got out before he was home.
I wanted to enjoy my meal with classic car, but then Ice Cream Truck destroyed Flag Map House. I'm so mad about that. Oh, and Ice Cream Truck, if you're watching this, you should be grounded by your parents right away.
That's all we have to say, Ice Cream Truck.
Ho ho ho, that's a grounded 3,752 years. That means no TV, no computer, no saucer, absolutely no drugs, no disco, no movies, no planes, no Easter, no Thanksgiving, no Christmas, no YouTube, no fashion, no WhatsApp, no Google, no restaurant, no listening to music, no nightclub, no McDonald's, no Pizza Hut, no Burger King, no cell phone, no apps on cell phone, no little Ice Cream Truck of all.
Thank Giggle Bear anyways. Tune for goodbye. See you soon. More news.
Ho 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 ho. That's it. Grounded, 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 grounded for 1,614,260 for 516 years. Go to your room right now.